What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to change your Amazon country or region here on your iPhone device. This can be done on your iPhone device, on your Android device, as well as on your laptop device. I'm going to show you how to do it on all different gadgets depending on how you're logging in to your Amazon app account. Okay, so the thing is, let's say that I want to buy something from a different country while I'm located on a specific country, or vice versa. Let's say that I'm actually running a different store and I wish to switch it to a different location here because I've just traveled and I really wish to buy new stuff in here or simply shop on Amazon.com. This is something very easy and simple, but I believe Amazon could make it much easier on their app by simply changing the location where you can find the specific option. But do not worry, I'm going to show it to you in this video. Do not forget, if you find my content useful, consider subscribing here, like the video, as it really helps me out to reach out to more people and consequently help more people as well. Now, jumping straight into the very first step in here, we do have different ways on how to do this. So let's start from the very first method in here. So the very first method, we simply open up Amazon. We're going to tap in here on these three lines where we do have menu down here. Now, next up, we're going to tap on account located right here. Now, if you do have an older version of the Amazon app, these settings in here will be located here at the top on header. Okay, so in my case, since I've already updated it, it's located down here. Let me tap on account real quick, and next up we're gonna scroll down all the way to my shipping preferences down here. Let me scroll down. Okay, we do have in here shopping preferences. I'm gonna tap on shopping preferences or shipping preferences. Next up, you'll be able to see your name in here, a few other details, and then you do have at the top right corner a flag. So you want to tap on this flag real quick, and next up you want to change your region. If you wish to change your language, you can also change your language as well as the currency in here. In my case, it's actually grayed out because I'm unable to change to other currency in this specific Amazon marketplace, but in others you can actually change. So in my case, I'm going to tap in here, for example, on India, and I can change to Japan, Canada, for example, UK, and other countries as well. I'll be going with the US at the moment, and then I'm going to tap on done real quick. So that's how easy you can actually switch from a specific country marketplace to another. And as you can see, I'm now giving a look at my new marketplace real quick. Now, that's the very first method. Now, we do have a much advanced way of doing this. For example, if you do need to add, for example, a new location, a new address and stuff like that, the second method would be ideal. Now, let me hop into the three lines once again, and next up, we're gonna tap on account one more time. So once I'm here within account, for example, with this second method, let's say that I want to change my address. Let's say that I want to add a new address. Okay, I've changed my country, but let me say that I want to change my address. I want to add the secondary address here, which is actually the new country that I wish to ship to. So once I'm here, I'm gonna tap here on your addresses within account settings. Tap on your addresses, and next up you'll be able to see here all the addresses that you do have in here on your iPhone device or on your Amazon account. Next up, I'm going to tap on add a new address real quick, and once I tap on add a new address, I'll simply tap in here on add delivery address manually, and then over here I can now type in my name, my country, my number, and my address details. So tap on country here, and as soon as you change your country, you'll be able to actually now gain access to the new marketplace. It's going to switch automatically here to the new marketplace, and this is how you do it. Now, once you're done changing your address on your phone, let's say it's an iPhone or an Android device, I would recommend you to actually restart your device. If you have an iPhone, I would recommend force restarting just to ensure that all the changes have been done correctly on your iPhone device. And if you're running an Android device, simply restart it normally. Now, on your iPhone, in order to force restart, if you do have an iPhone 8 or later models, all you need to do is rapidly tap on volume up and then down, and then press and hold the power button continuously for approximately 7 to 8 seconds. Do not release the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen, which will be in white color. There we go, it's restarting. So once I see the Apple logo, there we go, I'm going to release the power button and let my iPhone turn on normally. This is essentially how I restart my iPhone device. Now, if you do have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, in order to perform a forced restart, all you need to do is press and hold the volume down along with the power button continuously until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Now, if you have a much older device, for example, an iPhone 6 or an iPhone 5 with a physical home button in here, all you need to do is press and hold that physical home button along with the power button in here continuously for 8 seconds until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Now, if you have an Android device, it's simple. All you need to do is just restart it normally and you'll be good to go. Now, if you're actually accessing from the web browser from your laptop device, for example, this is how it goes. Let's move now into our laptop device. So here I am on my laptop device. In my case, I'm running a MacBook in here, but in case you do have a Windows laptop, there's no problem at all. All we need to do is just open up here the browser, which is in my case Google Chrome, and I'm logged in into my Amazon account. So as you can see at the top right corner, we do have in here the option to change the country whenever you hover into the flag. It's much easier on a laptop device running the browser. Okay, so next up you want to tap in here on change country/region. You do have change language in here, and then you do have change country/region. Tap on change country/region, and then next up you do have in here an option which says select your preferred country region website. Tap on United States and then simply change it to the marketplace that you wish to change to. For example, if it's Japan, select Japan. If it's Mexico, tap on Mexico. If it's South Africa, South Africa. There we go. Next up, once you're done changing, simply tap on go to website, and this will essentially redirect you to that specific website. Now, the other way you can change it here on Amazon.com or on the website is by hovering into the top right corner where you do have hello your name. In my case, I do have hello Walter here. Next up, I'm gonna scroll down all the way to account. I'm gonna hop into account real quick. So once I'm here on account, I'm gonna tap on your addresses, which is located here at the left side. Tap on your addresses and then manually add a new address by tapping on this plus icon. Let me tap on plus real quick, and then here we go. I'm now gonna tap in my country, my full name, phone number, street address, unit or suite number, city, state, as well as zip code. So once you're done adding this will essentially ask you whether you automatically want to switch to the marketplace which is related to your country. So this is essentially how you change your address or your country or the marketplace of your region on Amazon.com from your laptop browser. If you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing and like the video as it really helps me out. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people, and of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.